If you're looking to learn how to do paddles, which look like this, please keep watching. Before you try paddles, I recommend learning how to comfortably do breaks. I'll link a tutorial I have on that move in the description below. Starting with breaks, we will add an extra rotation about the body before pushing the hoop in the opposite direction. This extra rotation move is a paddle. Try this rhythm here when learning the move. Break, break, paddle. And here's a slowed view from the top. Break, break, paddle. The hoop will rotate completely about the body one time during the paddle portion of the sequence. Try placing your non-pushing hand in the hoop right before the paddle for a very common variation of this move. Continue with the sequence from before. Break, break, hand inside the hoop, paddle. Next, remove the extra break and try to paddle in each direction. I find it helpful to move my torso and body in the direction the hoop is being pushed. So as I break and paddle the hoop towards my left, my body moves to the left. As I break and paddle the hoop towards my right, my body moves towards the right. Here's another slowed view from the top showing the paddle variation with the hand inside the hula hoop. Another paddle variation is using elbows. Here's a view from the top. Try the different variations and remember to move in the direction the hula hoop is being pushed. This move took me months to truly learn. And as you can see, I still struggle with the elbow paddle, so just don't feel discouraged if it takes you some time. And that's the end of the tutorial. Like this video if you found it helpful, and check out my playlist to learn more hula hoop tricks.